Deep, deep in the whispering woods, where the trees whispered secrets and the air was filled with magic, lived a happy gnome named Giggles. Giggles loved to laugh. His laughter was like a melody that brought joy to everyone around him. His tiny home overflowed with silly songs and joyful jokes. Every corner of his garden was filled with vibrant flowers and playful decorations, each one a testament to his cheerful spirit. But lately a strange silence had fallen over the whispering woods. The trees stood still, their leaves no longer rustling with laughter. The flowers drooped, their colours fading. Nobody laughed anymore. The once lively forest was now shrouded in a gloomy silence. Giggles missed the sound of happy giggles echoing through the woods. The silence was deafening, and it weighed heavily on his heart. "This is just terrible," Giggles exclaimed, his pointy hat flopping to one side. He couldn't bear to see his beloved forest so sad and lifeless. "We need to find a way to bring back the laughter," he declared, determination shining in his eyes. He knew he had to do something to restore the joy that had been lost. Giggles remembered an old tale whispered by the wind. It was a story his grandmother used to tell him when he was just a tiny gnome. It spoke of a hidden place deep within the forest, a place called the Laughing Lake. The path to this mystical lake was said to be treacherous and filled with challenges, but Giggles was determined to find it. Legend said that the Laughing Lake held a magical secret, a way to bring back joy and laughter to the world. The waters of the lake were said to be enchanted, capable of restoring happiness to even the gloomiest of hearts. "That's it!" Giggles cried, his eyes twinkling with excitement. He felt a renewed sense of hope and purpose. If he could find the Laughing Lake, he could bring back the laughter that the Whispering Woods so desperately needed. "We need to find the Laughing Lake," he declared with newfound determination. And so, with a heart full of hope and a spirit ready for adventure, Giggles set off on his quest to find the Laughing Lake and restore joy to the Whispering Woods. Giggles scurried to his bookshelf, his little boots thumping on the wooden floor. He pulled out a dusty, leather-bound book titled Wonders and Whispers of the Woods. Blowing off the dust, he flipped through the brittle pages. An old rhyme, passed down through generations of forest creatures, told of the Laughing Lake's magic. When laughter fades and hearts grow cold, seek the lake where joy unfolds. Through woods that wiggle, meadows that tickle, a journey awaits if you're quick as a sickle. Giggles' heart thumped with excitement. This was it. This was the answer. But the Laughing Lake was hidden, lost to time and shrouded in mystery. The path was fraught with challenges, each more peculiar than the last. He needed help, brave and cheerful companions to face the unknown. Giggles knew just the friends to ask. He had a knack for gathering the most extraordinary companions for his adventures. Each one brought something unique to the table, making their journeys unforgettable. He grabbed his walking stick, a sturdy branch topped with a shiny red button. This stick wasn't just any ordinary stick. It had been with him through countless escapades, each scratch and dent telling a story of its own. Setting off at a brisk pace, he headed towards the heart of the Whispering Woods. The trees seemed to whisper secrets as he passed, their leaves rustling in a language only the forest dwellers could understand. First, he visited Flora Flouncybottom, a whimsical fairy known for her boundless energy and love for all things bright and beautiful. Flora's presence was like a burst of sunshine, her laughter echoing through the woods.
"Flora, my dear friend," Giggles called out, approaching a giant sunflower taller than himself. The sunflower swayed gently as if acknowledging his presence. With a tinkling giggle, Flora Flouncybottom peeked out from behind a petal, her butterfly wings fluttering excitedly. Her wings shimmered in the sunlight, casting tiny rainbows on the ground. "Giggles, what a delightful surprise. What brings you to my neck of the woods?" she chirped, her voice as melodious as a songbird's.
Giggles, with a twinkle in his eye, explained the predicament. He spoke of the forest's plight, his voice filled with both concern and determination. The forest needed their help. The trees were losing their luster and the once vibrant flowers were wilting. The magic that kept the forest alive was fading. He told her about the legend of the Laughing Lake, and the magical laughter it held. This lake was said to be the heart of the forest's magic, its laughter infusing life into every corner of the woods. Flora, her heart as bright as her sunflower home, didn't hesitate for a second. She knew the importance of the laughing lake and the joy it brought to the forest.
"Of course, I'll help you find the laughing lake," she exclaimed, her voice bubbling with excitement. Her wings fluttered even more rapidly, reflecting her eagerness to embark on this new adventure. "A world without laughter is a world without sunshine," Flora declared passionately. She knew that the laughing lake was more than just a legend. It was the essence of their world, the source of all joy and light. Together, they began to gather supplies for their journey. Giggles packed his trusty walking stick, while Flora collected magical herbs and flowers that might aid them along the way. They consulted an ancient map, one that had been passed down through generations. It was filled with mystical landmarks and hidden paths, guiding them towards the laughing lake. With everything in place, they set off on their adventure. The path ahead was uncertain, but with friends like Flora by his side, Giggles felt ready to face any challenge. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they encountered magical creatures and enchanting sights. Each step brought them closer to their goal and the promise of restoring laughter to the woods. Along the way, they shared stories and laughter, strengthening their bond. The journey was as much about the adventure as it was about the friendship they cherished. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the enchanted forest, they knew they were on the right path. The laughing lake awaited, and with it, the promise of a brighter, happier world.
Section 4, Flora, Flouncybottom and the Tickly-Tickle Meadow, and so their adventure began.
Giggles and Flora, guided by the rhyming clues of the old book, set off into the Wiggly Woods. The trees swayed and danced, their branches twisting and turning in a mesmerizing ballet. Giggles and Flora had to be nimble, dodging and weaving through the whimsical woodland.
The first challenge awaited them in the Tickly-Tickle Meadow. As they stepped onto the meadow, a wave of giggles erupted from Flora. The meadow was alive. Grass tickled their ankles, and playful breezes nudged them with unseen hands, urging them to laugh along.
Flora, with her infectious laughter, danced through the Tickly-Tickle Meadow with unmatched grace. Her joyous laughter echoed through the air, a symphony of glee that spread through the silent woods.
Section 5. Sammy, Slitherscale and the Silly Serpent Swamp. Next, their journey led them to the edge of the Silly Serpent Swamp, home to Sammy Slitherscale, a wise and gentle serpent with a knack for riddles and a heart full of kindness. Sammy was known far and wide for his wisdom and his ability to solve even the trickiest of puzzles. His home, the Silly Serpent Swamp, was a place of wonder and mystery, filled with magical creatures and hidden secrets.
Sammy! Oh, Sammy Slitherscale! Giggles called out, his voice echoing across the murky water. The swamp seemed to come alive with the sound, as if it were responding to the gnome's call. With a gentle ripple, Sammy Slitherscale emerged from the swamp, his emerald scales shimmering under the dappled sunlight. The sight was mesmerizing, as if the very essence of the swamp was embodied in Sammy's graceful form.
Well, well, if it isn't Giggles the gnome and Flora Flouncybottom. What brings you to my humble abode? Sammy questioned, his voice a deep, soothing rumble. It was a voice that could calm even the most troubled of hearts, and it carried with it the wisdom of ages.
Giggles explained their quest, their voices filled with hope and determination. Sammy listened intently, his forked tongue flicking as he pondered over their predicament. The gnome and Flora spoke of the Laughing Lake, a place said to hold the key to their quest.
The Laughing Lake, you say, Sammy mused, his tail swishing thoughtfully. A worthy endeavor indeed. The Laughing Lake was a place of legend, known for its enchanting waters that could bring joy to even the saddest of souls. But the path is fraught with riddles and challenges. Many have tried to reach it, but few have succeeded. The journey would test their wit, courage, and their ability to find humor in the most unexpected places.
Undeterred, Giggles and Flora pleaded for Sammy's help. They knew that with Sammy's wisdom and guidance, they stood a better chance of overcoming the obstacles that lay ahead. Touched by their unwavering spirit, Sammy finally agreed, his eyes twinkling with a mischievous glint. He loved a good challenge, and the prospect of helping his friends on such an important quest filled him with excitement.
Very well, Sammy chuckled. I will guide you through the Silly Serpent Swamp, but be warned, only those who can appreciate a good chuckle will find their way. The swamp is filled with laughter and joy, and only those who can embrace its whimsical nature will succeed. As they set off on their journey, the swamp seemed to come alive with the sound of magical laughter. The path ahead was filled with hidden chuckles and playful surprises, and Sammy knew that this adventure would be one to remember.